we have the net weight filler, and you have to refill this hopper, and you can see that net weight filler hopper is about 7 feet in the air. And so it is often a little bit of a chore to take buckets or whatever to refill this. It holds about 2 cubic feet of material, and it'll keep on until you dump. One way to refill that automatically is to take your product and dump it into a hopper at ground level, which is much easier, of course, and you can manage it because you can see it. And then what'll happen is the level in the hopper here gets lower. This automatically turns on, and by vacuum, it will suck that up into the system. And it'll keep that full from your hopper here down at ground level. And you can see it's very compact. It doesn't add much space, but it prevents you from having to come up and dump all the time and try to keep that full. And the more consistent we can keep the hopper full, the better and more accurate the weights are going to be through the scale. So as we're filling, you can see that flapper gate is being held back by product that's under a counterweight. And as that product continues to flow out of the hopper, it lessens. And as soon as that flapper gate becomes exposed and the product isn't holding it back, it's going to pop back up. And when it pops back up, it's going to initiate the sensor, which is going to turn the conveying system on to continue to convey. There it closes. Convey, and then it'll discharge that product back into the hopper just to keep it full. And now that product will prevent that cap from flying back up and then creating a cycle until the product level drops again.